Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2022 INFINITI QX80 Sensory. Top of the line for the QX80, and it definitely looks good. Notice upgraded 22-inch wheels, chrome grille instead of the dark chrome on the Premium Select. Back seat area, this one is the captain's chairs. Of course, you can get the split bench, third row seating, rear seat entertainment, Bose 17 speaker performance series audio, sounds phenomenal. 400 horsepower, 5.6 liter V8 under that hood. Ventilated seats, this dark walnut burl trim, or I believe that's what it is, dark walnut or dark charcoal. Sunroof. Oh, quilted leather is gorgeous. Sensory is also going to add wood trim on the steering wheel. That actually just is nice to hold. Wireless charging going to be tucked in here. That's standard on all QX80s. Round view monitor. Mirrors drop down when you go into reverse. Virtual rear view mirror. Without further ado, let's go for a drive. As tested price on this one, MSRP $89,000 and change. QX80 takes on the Escalade, the Yukon, what else is there? Expedition? Is that still run? No, the Excursion's dead. Expedition's still run. Honestly, QX80 Lux, I can't, it's a worthy comparison to a base Yukon. This one really takes on the Denali. Really takes it on. And for Escalade, you can get one of these at sticker, or even under in some cases. Can't say that about a new Escalade, now can ya? At least not easily. Even MSRP on Escalades is like 100 grand. It's absolutely absurd. These fully loaded, you're just under 90,000. And I will say, the 5.6 in here is one of the better sounding V8s on the market. In SUVs, that is. Do have a 2-speed transfer case. You have 4 high, 4 low. So again, towing, off-roading, it can handle it. 8,500 pound tow capacity. So that will definitely handle a boat for the weekend. Sensory adds hydraulic body motion control, so a hydraulically controlled suspension. Oh, what a difference. I mean, it's not night and day, being like it's a completely different driving experience, but it's pretty close to being a completely different experience. The Lux rides well, but this is just way more composed. And it's a lot more luxurious. Of course, all the different trim, the higher quality leather, that all adds to that as well. But, oh, I could drive this thing all day long on the highway and be perfectly happy. What a machine. What a machine. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.